Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you how to check controller serial number on DJI Mini 4K. To do that, firstly open the application, of course, click on the 3 dots button, click About, scroll down, find here flight controller serial number, and as you can see here, my controller serial number. So this is flight controller serial number and remote controller serial number. And on the controller here we have remote control serial number, and it's here as you can see. So this is my serial number, and it must be the same as here on remote controller serial number. So that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye. See you.